Hey everyone. So today in reading, I want to teach you that if you are really in charge of your own reading, you don't let tricky letters get in your way. Some letters make more than one sound. So if you try one sound and that doesn't work, you can try the other sound. This helps you understand what you are reading better. So watch me try this reading strategy as I read At the Aquarium, written by Anastasia Suen. We're going to an aquarium, says Counselor Esme. I wonder what animals we will see living under the water, says George. Camp adventure. Our bus is a raft, says Wendy. Let's lot. That doesn't really make sense. I'm saying the O sound, ah, in the middle of this word, but it doesn't make sense. Flot? I don't think that's a word. I'm going to try the other sound that O makes. Oh, let's float. Oh, that makes sense. Let's float down the river to the aquarium. And I see they're floating down the river. Ooh, that would be cool if your buzz was a raft. Let's float down the river to the aquarium, says Counselor Omar. Let's see all the sea cre cret creter critters? Doesn't really make sense. I'm trying to use the sound for the E, but critters doesn't really make sense. I'm going to try the other sound that E makes. Creatures. Creatures. Oh, that makes sense. Let's see all the sea creatures, shouts George. What can you see in the kelp forest? Asked Counselor Omar. I see fish, says George. I see a crab, says Wendy. Eels, yells Alex. Now it's your turn, readers. When I come to a word that doesn't sound right, flip the vowel sound and see if you can say it with the other sound the vowel makes. The Shark Tank at last, says George. If I were a hammerhead shark, I would chase. Does that make sense? I'm saying the A sound, chas, but that really doesn't make sense. Turn and tell your buddy, what's the other sound that A makes? Good job, readers. Did you say A? So now I'm going to try the long A sound. Chase. Oh, that does make sense. I'm going to go back and reread so I can smooth it out. If I were a hammerhead shark, I would chase bat rays all day, says Nadia. Good job, readers. You helped me flip the vowel sound to figure out the unknown or tricky word when it didn't make sense. If I was a shark, I would play tag with crabs all day, laughs Alex. I would rather be the diver. Diver really doesn't make sense. I've never heard that word before. I'm saying the I sound, but it doesn't make sense. Let's flip the vowel sound and try the other sound that I makes. Turn and tell your buddy what is the other sound that I makes. Good job, everyone. Did you say I? Now let's try the I sound in this word. Turn and tell your buddy, what is this word? Good job, everyone. Did you say diver? I would rather be the diver. Oh, that makes sense because in the picture, this is someone diving. I would rather be the diver feeding the sharks, says Chucky. Awesome aquarium, shout the campers. So good job, everyone. You helped me solve tricky or unknown words by flipping the vowel sound or the sound that the letters make. You can do this today and every day when you read. When you come to a word and you say it one way and it doesn't make sense, you can try the other sound that that letter makes and see if that makes sense to help you solve an unknown or tricky word.